Hi everybody, good morning. I am sitting in the desert and it is cold. Looky here. We have a fire going and Jana is making a beautiful cherry pie turnover. Look at that. Isn't that awesomeness? And the dogs, is that mine? Oh, am I taking it? No. I'm good. She's offering to even cut it for me. The cold does me in, and it's in the desert. We're outside of Quartzsite, and we've been down in Yuma for so long. I got used to the warm temperatures there, but we have a campfire going. I'll show you. We have the campfire going. I've got to be careful not to fall into it. That'd be good, right? Don't fall into the fire, Deborah. And then last night we sat outside after we got here and we used Jana's propane firebowl. My cousins gave me a propane firebowl for my birthday, and I haven't been anywhere where it's been cold enough to use it yet. So we're going to break it out today, and I'll do a quick video on that. But remember, you get real, authentic, real-time videos with me, no editing. You get what's happening around camp. Bandit, you want to come say hi? He's avoiding me. Come here. Come say hi to everybody. Can you say hi? Huh? Oh, that was a good hello. That was a good boy. So he's on leash attached to my jeans. Sammy Joe's inside eating, isn't she?
Yes.
She's having brekkie inside. So anyway, this is a really just quick short video to show you that we have landed. We came up further north to Quartzsite to spend holidays with our friends, and we just found a lovely campsite. We're gonna hang out here and decompress after the Howling at the Moon concerts, and then join up with all of our friends. So sending you love this morning. Stay warm, stay safe, and we'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.